Good morning everyone, and it is here. The UCS TIE Interceptor will revisit an older UCS set from the year 2000. The TIE Interceptor building set that was part of the first launch of the Ultimate Collection series is back. This amazing LEGO Star Wars TIE Interceptor building set allows fans of Star Wars Return of the Jedi. This 1,931 piece model will retail for just shy of $240 or £209 in the UK and will be available exclusively from lego.com or your local LEGO store from the 1st of May. This set is an amazing 40 centimeters in length and includes a mouse droid figure and a special TIE Pilot minifigure that is only available with this collection. The model comes with a printed LEGO Star Wars anniversary logo and is displayed on a stand with a printed plaque. Also, launching alongside this, the Trade Federation Troop Carrier has also been recently revealed. From May the 1st to the 5th, it will be available as a gift with purchase when you spend £145 or $160 on LEGO Star Wars merchandise. Additionally, you will also receive a rather cute tiny keychain with any Star Wars purchase of $40 or more. This item will be released on the 1st of May. So, are you prepared to get this TIE Interceptor UCS and start collecting as early as May? And if you are going to purchase any more of the new LEGO Star Wars sets. As always, thank you very much for watching and have a wonderful day. Bye.